Just a quick video about the Amiga driver's mirror. This is the spare mirror I got for the Amiga. It's the same colour as mine, and the only issue I found was actually in the plug. There's only 5 connectors. You can see 5 wires there, but on the Eiite it's got 9. So I think that might be for memory settings, I'm not sure. So when I originally got this mirror, the glass in it was the original concave glass, but as you can see in this one, it's kind of all broken and stuff here. Somebody stuck a glass cover over it, you know, like a temporary mirror. So what I've done is I've taken the glass out of this and put it into my own mirror. But just to show you, if you need to take the glass out the mirror on your own Amiga mirror, is turn the mirror with the power switch right into the corner, and then when you've got the mirror either on the car or if you've got it off the car, doesn't really matter, you just push in here and pull that out, and this unclips off the back. So take that off, and then you'll have 2 switches in here, 2 connectors, which you take off and then put the replacement back on, or whatever you want to do, and then same, you just clip it back on again. So that's how you change the mirror glass.